That's nothing. That is also nothing. Okay, this is going to be amazing finds. For cheap. And really good deals. Also, you can get this one for yourself right now. This one is the Air Victor. I don't know. You can get this at Five Below. It's really good. And cheap. It's $5, of course. And I would say, next time I go there, I'm going to get one. Because last time I went there and they didn't have one, the only thing they had was that one with the ball. And you like motion. I was going, oh yeah, this is so fun. Boring. I mean, I didn't get one, but I was going, no, I don't want that. I want the helicopter. I mean, yeah, it's all flimsy and bendy. And like this tail thing doesn't do anything. It's all, and look, so flimsy. So basically they put all of their time in the motor, and it's got some weights I think up here. You can see it. Looks like a nut and bolt, like nuts. These nuts. And to prove it, RC helicopter. Five Below Wilson. Another thing that I found was amazing. I was at Trade It, and I was looking for a new phone. Even though I'm not going to use this as a new phone, I'll probably use it as an MP3 player. My volume button stopped working. This works. This works. But I did find something amazing. There's another iPhone. It was an iPhone 4, a 16 gigabyte. Right here. iPhone 4, 16 gigabyte. For $60. You're like, what? Darren, are you crazy? How did you get that? Well, let me tell you. There was an 8 gigabyte there. For the same price. iPhone 4, Verizon. 16 gigabytes. $60. Boom. You know what's funny? I was in the Greenville Mall. I saw this one, an 8 gigabyte, for $120. I was going, wow. That's expensive. Oh, I forgot to mention. Let's go type. Oh, I forgot to mention. Let's go test this puppy out. Woo! If you buy one of these and it's not working right, I just recently found out that these buttons, I'm not touching them now, because I already have it set. These are the buttons calibrated. And sometimes they'll spin too fast and you hit the L button and sometimes it'll clear it. Ah, come on. Actually, I'm going to stand over here. Yeah. Ah. Trust me, it works better in a more open area. Sorry to ring it. Why, Darren? Why? What's happened? Sorry. You're in the middle of it. Very. Blah. Why don't we set it on this? That won't work either. Oh! Oh ho ho! We did it! We got it working! Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dude, look at the way it landed! Look at the way it landed! Get off! Get off! Look! 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 It landed on Twilight! Hang on, let me take this off. Look at that! Look at how it landed! Oh my gosh! That's crazy! Dude, perfect land!